morning. We're going to talk about blood flow and volume and some of the terminology that goes along with that. So let's start over here. This is just a review. If you watched our other video that Adam did, just a reminder that things move from high pressure areas to low pressure, which makes a big difference in how the blood flows in the heart and the body. Volume also plays a part within the physics of pressure. So let's say we have a heart here that is full of blood, and we want to pour the same amount of blood. We're going to pour that into a smaller heart that has the same, this is the same heart but it's contracted. It's made the space smaller inside it, but we're going to put the same amount of blood, but because the volume is smaller, we've increased the pressure. And that's just also a good reminder to remember how blood moves through the heart. In particular, that left ventricle pushing that blood up towards the aorta. Another term that we need to know is cardiac output. That's the total volume of blood that the heart pumps. And to get our cardiac output, we need to look at two things: the stroke volume, which is the amount of blood the left ventricle pumps out each heartbeat, and the heart rate, the amount of left ventricle contractions per minute. Combine those two and we get our total cardiac output. And the ideal amount is 4 to 6 liters in a healthy person. And then one more term is preload. And we can go back up here to explain what preload is. Preload is going to be whatever blood was left behind, that residual blood after that contraction that just occurred. So you can see that oxygenated blood that's kind of left in some of the atriums and ventricles. But it's also that venous return, that in the blue there, that deoxygenated blood coming back. Those two combined is going to be your preload.